there was a leak in my kitchen. And so I called my realtor and asked her who she would recommend, and she gave me your number. When Matt came, he explained the process of what the company is and what they do, and then he was able to go up on the roof, look around, look at the interior damage as well, and then decide that he thought that it met a threshold to file an insurance claim. So they filed the insurance claim that day. So when Matt came, he decided that the cause of the leak was wind damage to the shingles on the roof, and so he identified numerous missing shingles, and I'd seen shingle material on the ground before. And then he also identified how brittle the roof was and how that it would be very difficult to patch. And so he decided the best option was to talk to the insurance company about replacing all of the roof rather than just patch 8 or 12 shingles. So they came out, Mac was here before the adjuster, both of them went up onto the roof and talked about things for 45 minutes maybe. The guy from the insurance company came off the roof and asked me if I had a debit card with and just direct deposited the money. So it was a really fast, like it took no time. He explained what the claim was, what they've determined on the roof, and then just by that night I had the first part of my claim in my account.